Hi, this video I am going to teach ATM money withdrawal system. Here this one should be the ATM system. Here if you enter the relevant account number and PIN number, you will be able to withdraw the amount, right? Let us show the demo first. This is a simple one. If you enter the wrong account number, PIN number, check the account number and PIN number, it's say the error. If you enter the right account number and PIN number, click login. Welcome to LMS Bank, right? Very simple system. How to do this one step by step we'll see, right? This is completely Java application. So this is the money withdrawal system. We have to do this one for more security purpose, right? The login things we have to make the more security purpose, right? So how to do this one as an industrial experience. So how to do this system step by step. So let's go to the file, new project, Java application, next. If it is check create main class, we have to uncheck it. Here I am going to create this one, LMC Bank. I just give the name, say LMC Bank. This is a project name. Click finish. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to say, first we have to add the MySQL connector. So I already explained my previous tutorial. I have to download the MySQL connector in order to connect database and database files and this one, right, the MySQL database and NetBeans. So we have to download the relevant connector, MySQL connector. Okay, I already explained in my previous tutorial. Those who are not watching my previous tutorial, please watch them. Here I have created the in MySQL I have created the database here. This is the database I have created, LMC table I have created, users table. This is account number, PIN number, right? This is very simple table I have created, right? So here after that I already downloaded MySQL connector. Select the libraries, add jar folder, we have to add them. Order on the control key down and add them. Right, perfect. Now what I am going to do is here, select the source package, right click new, JFrame form. Here I am going to give this as LMC. Just give the class name LMC. It's a blank one. Now I am going to design the form. Right. So simply we have designed the form. Just go to the palette, drag one label. This one I am going to name it as LMC login, ATM login. Right. Select this one, properties, font, bold, change it as 24. Right. We have to arrange like this. After that, what I am going to do is here, we have to drag one panel like this. This panel, select this one, right click, properties, border. I am going to change it as soft bevel border, click OK. Perfect, right? Now what I am going to do is here, we have to drag one, we have to drag two labels here. This one for account number, this one should be the PIN number. Right. Select both account number, PIN, and right click, properties, font, bold, width we have to change it as 14. After that, drag two text fields. This one account number, PIN number we have to change as a password field, text field. Right. Now let's do one button. That's a login button. So we have to drag them. This is a login button. So where's the button? Like this one. This is a login button. So you have to write login. Okay, perfect. Now what I'm going to select this one. Right click, properties, code, generate center, close it. Right. Now let's run and check. Right click, run file. It's run at the center perfectly well. Okay. Now let's rename this one, text fields. Select this one, edit text, backspace to the existing text. Select again, change variable, txt, acc name, acc number. This one, edit text, backspace to remove. Select again, change variable, txt, PIN number, click OK. Right. Now what I am going to do is here, I have designed the form successfully. First I have to establish the database connection here. I have to establish a database connection here. So how to establish a database connection here is, first we have to write here, we have to write, create the connection. We have to implement the SQL class here. So we have to write import java dot SQL dot, we have to write the SQL class here. If you put asterisk, all the SQL classes will be decided on the here, right? So you have to write connection con the object. After that you have to write a prepare statement pst, right? Okay. After that what I am going to do is here, I am going to write the connection method here. So you have to write public void connect. So you have to write here, first you have to write class dot for name, write com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. First you have to register driver first, MySQL driver first. We added the libraries MySQL connectors, we have to register them. This is not error, we have to import the try and catch, it's automatically import them. After that we have to write the connection path. So we have to write the where your database is reside on. It reside on the localhost. This is the name of the database, this is the name of the table, right? So you have to write con driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write jdbc dot mysql dot, you have to write colon, you have to write localhost. You have the name of the database. What is the name of the database? LMC. LMC is a name of the database. Here you have to give the login credential for the MySQL, right? Username is a root, password is a blanks. This is the user credential of MySQL, right? This is the thing you have to write. You have to add here is a catch block here, right? This simple stuff you have to do. This connection method, control C to copy, control V to paste inside the constructor, right? When the constructor get loaded, the database connection will be loaded, right? When the constructor loaded, the database connection will be loaded, right? Now what I am going to do is here, after connect the database connection, now let's go to the design, select the login, right click event action perform. Here I am going to write the code here. First we have to, these two text fields we have to pass into the relevant variable. So first what I am going to do is here, first we have to write the string account number equal txt ac number. This is the name of the text box, account number text, so get text. Here we have to use get text, right? After that password we are not using the get text here, right? So here we have to write password, how to store here is char pwd, this is a variable I have created, equal txt pass dot, what is the password? Sorry, it's a pin number. Okay, so txt pin number, right? Not a pass, txt pin number. Pin number dot get password, right? If you write this function, more it's security. If you write this get password function, it's more security, right? It is passing to the, what is the pin number you entered here, it passing to the relevant variables here, right? So you will be able to check how the password it should work, right here. J option pan. Okay, dot you can check here. It's working perfectly. J option pan dot show message. You can check here how the password look like. You will be able to check here PST. You have to write here. You have to check here, right? Right click. You have to check here. If you enter the password here, click here. Your password look like this here. This is a format, right? So this is more security purpose if you are using like this. Okay, it's more security purpose. Okay, that's the thing we have to write, more security purpose. What is the error here? LMC. This is a database name, right? We later on we will check it here, right? Okay, right. Now here, what I am going to do is here. Let's remove this one. This more security purpose we are using here, right? If you are passing to the relevant variable string like this, it's not a security. Okay, if you are, what is the password you are given here? It should be more security here, right? So after that, we have to make it as string here. Second step, string. We have to create the variable pwd. Here we have to new string. We have to use like this. When you are doing the banking application, it's more security purpose, right? We have to put it here, right? That's the thing we have to do. After that, we have to check the password. Now you can check the password. Here, this password. This password you have to equal to here, right? Now you can, this is a password, right? Now here we have to first write the prepare statement connection dot prepare statement. You have to check here. Select. You have to write pin number, right? Pin number. You have to check the pin number also. This pin number you have to check, right? So you have to write here. Select pin number from which table? Users table. Which table? Users table is must. Okay. Here this is users table. Where account number, right? This account number. Where account number, ACC number equal question mark, right? Now here what I am going to do is here, click on this one. We have to generate the try and catch block, right? Inside here, what I am going to do is here, we have to write pst dot set string 1. You have to write here is this account number. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. What is your account number you entered here? It is goes to this relevant question mark. You have set and fetch the relevant values, right? After that, what I am going to see, you have to write create the RS result set object. You have to create result set RS, right? So here we have to write RS equal pst dot execute query. You have to write like this, execute query. Now here we have to write here if rs dot next. You have to write here is string db password equal rs dot get string 1 dot trim. Right. After that, what I am going to see, if we password this one, as a password you are entered here. This is the database password. We have to load the database password. What is the account number you entered here? The relevant database password should be loaded here, and the relevant pin number here loaded here. It passing to here. What is the username account number coming here? The relevant pin number loaded here, right? It is passing to the, this is a pin number, right? Passing to here. You have to check, right? Your entered pin number is this. Dot equals, you have to check like this, right? Dot equals, here we have to put db password, right? Now you have to check here if the username and this both password is equal for the relevant account number. What's the account number you are entered here? You have to pass a message G option, but show message dialog, not confirm, show message dialog. Show message dialog, show message dialog. Here we have to write this. Here we have to write welcome LMC, like this. I just give the name as bank name LMC. You can give any name of the bank name, right? This is a professional way to do the password login part in this one, right? It's a very professional one. You can use it, this one, as a ATM machine login system, and the banking security you can use like this. It's very essential stuff, right? After that, you have to write the, after the else part, if it is not valid, you have to pass the error message, the same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Here we have to pass the error message, check account number and PIN number, right? Check account number and PIN number. Right, that's it. After that, you have to clear the relevant text fields, right? So, account number dot setx. After that, same thing, Control C to copy, Control V to paste. This one should be the TXT PIN number. Here we have right TXT dot request focus. Right, that's it. That's the thing you have to do. Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now let's check. Let's go above WhatsApp. We have any problem connectivity? The problem here, one problem we have, not dot here, it's a colon, right? Now let's check, right? This is not dot, I have put as a dot, right? So let's run and check. It's working fine. Now if you enter the wrong username and password, check PIN number or account number or PIN number. If you enter the correct account number, this one, and password you have to enter here, 9090, click login, welcome to LMC Bank, right? It's a professional way to, you have to have the username, checking the account number and PIN number, right? This is a professional way to, you have to pass it, right? It's a professional way to do the system look like this. You must try this one. While doing this, any problem, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.